mambo yote imehappen. Watoto wetu wanachukuliwa bila kujulikana. Sasa hii nimetafuta brother yangu wiki 2 na sijaimpata. Yuko wapi brother yangu, Mr. President? Mr. President, please. Sorry. Please, brother yangu mali ameshikwa. Naomba achiliwe.
We are appealing to the government because those guys they have been arrested by police.
Yes.
I don't know if there is anyone apart from police who can arrest someone. I don't know if there is any car can walk in our roads being number plate without number plates. If they are not policemen who arrested these guys, so the government should tell us those kinds of squad they are releasing on the community.